Hi everyone. Welcome to my first video on a remarkable piece of software. My name is Jacques from Social Info Hub. In this video I'm going to be talking about one of the coolest tools on the market, called Many Leads. But before we carry on, I think it is only ethical for me to tell you that I promote this product and could earn a little commission, should you decide to buy it. But that does not take away from the fact that it is an outstanding piece of software that I use in my business as well. Also, it comes with a completely free 7-day trial for you to try out and see if it works for you, before buying it. Now, Many Leads is just one of the components of the Marketer Magic software. Marketer Magic is a software tool that consists of 6 components, which you can buy as one, or alternatively buy any of the 6 components individually. So it offers you a complete a la carte menu for the components you may or may not need. So let's get started. It's not always easy for marketers to get hold of leads, so that you can reach out to them on email, social media or website, but with Many Leads it has become extremely easy. So let me show you how it can be done. But to do that I'm going to hand over to my friend Kevin David, who is the mastermind behind this software tool.
What is up everyone? Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about one of the coolest tools on the market. And so one of the biggest problems was it just takes such a long time to go through and search for your city. Like if you live in Dallas or you live in Miami or whatever, you type in Miami dentist and you can see all the results in Google, and there's 10 at a time. You have to go to each website, find all of the phone numbers and emails and their social media so you can reach out to them and actually do outreach to try to find some new clients. Introduce yourself, say, hey, my name is Kevin David. I'm running a digital marketing company. I'd love to give you a social media deep dive or show you a couple things that you could do to immediately increase your online presence, your digital marketing, to double your marketing efforts, to get new and profitable clients into your business, leveraging social media, right? Whatever you're gonna say to actually make them interested, saying, I'll do it completely for free. I'd love to, just have a no obligations chat and show you a couple of tips, completely no strings attached, right? So just ways to kind of get your foot in the door and open the conversation, because that's the hardest part, right? And so it used to take so long to go and search on Google and look through the results, look through all of them, try to find pages on Facebook and ways to contact these local businesses that need a digital marketer just like you, right? And so that tool, there was no tool that really existed that did that efficiently, and so I created one. And so Marketer Magic actually is still in beta right now. I've been working on it for the last 6 months or so, really to take digital marketers and agency owners and Facebook advertisers like yourself to the next level and be able to really take things to a place that has never really existed before when it comes to efficiency. And so without further ado, let's take a look. So we're inside marketermagic.com right here. This is the dashboard, right? So Marketer Magic is a suite of tools. It's not just one tool, but the tool that we're gonna be talking about today is actually called Many Leads, right? And Marketer Magic does have a free 7-day trial. You can also get any individual app a la carte just from the pricing page as well. But we're just gonna talk about Many Leads for right now. So what we're gonna do is inside of Many Leads here, we're gonna go to create campaign. And let's say that you live in San Diego, for example. We'll just use that. We'll call this SD real estate. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in real estate, and we see that real estate agent pre-populates, and we're gonna type in San Diego, California. We're gonna press show leads. And Many Leads is literally gonna go out and scrape tens of millions of results and bring all of those results back to us. You can see right here that there's over 1,000 entries just for this one search, which is insane, right? That would have taken weeks, if not months, to actually do that efficiently. And you can see right here, right, we have the email address of these real estate agents, their phone number, their address, we have all their social media. And so we can literally, copy and paste these, we can highlight all, we can export them as a CSV, right? We can hire somebody to do cold calling, or we can do it ourselves. We can email these people with templates, right? We want to make each one as personalized as possible. Talk about a picture on their website. Talk about the location in the city that they live. I love Point Loma. I love some area of San Diego where you're located. Just something personal, right? So they don't feel like you're just sending a mass email. And so what we can do is, if we want to make this, we'll look at 50 instead of 10. And we can see that it's going to expand out a bunch of new actual businesses and email addresses and phone numbers and things like this. And what we can do is we can reach out to these businesses literally on LinkedIn. We can reach out to them on Facebook. We can reach out to them on Twitter even, right? Where we can contact these real estate agents one at a time, and we can send a message, right? And I would literally message every single one of these, right? There's 1,065 different entries for this one search, right? It's not just real estate agents though. You can do it for dentists, you can do it for insurance agents, you can do it for all different types of local businesses that need an online social media presence. And I would email every single one of these businesses one by one, right? And I would email every single one, or I would call every single one of these phone numbers. Definitely a low-hanging fruit, and probably where I would start is messaging them on Facebook and on LinkedIn, right? I would create a template, and I would, just change the name of the person or the name of the business, and I would add one little, personalized thing about some recent post they made, or some, quirky thing about their photo, or something personal, right? And I would message every single one of these, because the thing is, guys, if you message 1,065 real estate agents, you are going to get responses. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when and how many, right? And the thing is, like, if you want it bad enough, when I first started, I messaged every single one of these, and I was doing this manually. I was searching real estate agent on Google, and I was scrolling from page 1 to page 2, and I would, go to each person's website, and I would find their phone number, I would find their email in the footer, I would try to find their social media if they had them connected, and I would, open all, like, a million tabs, and I would message all of them individually, and it just took forever, and it was terrible, which is why I created ManyLeads, right? So ManyLeads is an incredibly powerful tool that you definitely want to be taking advantage of. If you're doing any type of research like this, it just makes perfect sense to be able to use ManyLeads to save so much of your time. Because even if you get one client, right, for $1,000 a month, one client from ManyLeads, then it basically pays for itself for like a year, 2 years, or whatever the case may be, right? So it's totally worth it. And then there's also some other really cool tools for you to check out. I would definitely recommend checking out Marketer University right here, where we actually teach you, a lot of specific digital marketing tips and knowledge. So it's definitely worth checking out if you are, really serious about making your online business work. These are the exact strategies and tools that we use. Of course, you'd have access to it completely for free inside of Marketer Magic here in Marketer University. It's also right here as well. So I definitely recommend taking advantage of that and taking advantage of ManyLeads, because it's one of the best cost-saving and time-saving tools on the market right now. I know because I personally created it to use in my own business, so I know the quality of the data, I know the quality of the entire process, and it's going to save you a lot of time, and most importantly, make you a lot of money. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and don't miss the next videos that'll walk you through the other features of Marketer Magic. Just click on the link in the description below this video to get instant access to ManyLeads. And if you are still not certain, don't forget that it comes with a 7-day free trial, so you literally have nothing to lose by trying it. Click the link in the description below this video and get started. Also, please click subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll know when I release the next video. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful. Okay guys, that's it for now. See you in the next video.